Hello everyone. Today we want to talk about these wire tubes. Now on Hohner Stitcher heads there's several different styles. Here's one off of 43.6. It's got just a tube. This is an older 52.8 tube. And this is more like the new style. It's not really a tube, but it serves the same purpose. What happens if you run, especially if you run flaky wire or cheap wire, the wire tends to plug these tubes up. If you plug up this style tube or the one this style, you pretty much have to just replace the tube. There's really no way you can clean it out. But run good quality tinned wire and you'll have less of this problem. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one apart to show you. I get a lot of these heads in for repair, and you know, when you're running the machine, the wire will kind of bird's nest here or spit out here because it's jamming up going down through here. So the customers will take these tubes off, blow them out, or take this apart. I think what they're not realizing, there's a little roller in here that they lose when they take this apart, because I get these heads in and this roller's missing, and of course the head's not working because the wire won't feed through. Other things can cause the wire to jam up here. Your cutter could get stuck, or the round die's plugged up. Again, running crappy wire adds to that problem. So let me take this off. You just unscrew this little thumb screw. And then your cutter box assembly will just slide right off. Don't lose the thumb screw. And then right here's a little Torx head screw. We're going to take that off. Oop. Anyhow, I didn't mean to drop that. So you take the screw off and this plate will come off. And if you look, you can see the groove where the wire is going to go. Right down here. And then right there, there's this little roller. And I'm getting the heads in with that roller missing. So it's a little tiny thing. If you're not paying attention, especially if this is all dirty and crappy looking, when you take it apart you may not even see this little piece. And once you drop it on the floor, maybe in a dirty shop, you'll never find it again. It kind of disappears. So you take this apart and you scrub it out. You know, you take a wire brush, you clean this real good, blow it out. Same thing on this piece, clean it off real good. When I install these, I put that little roller in there, and I put one little drop of some good oil, lightweight oil. I just put a drop there because we want that little roller to spin when the wire's trying to feed through. So you can see the wire's going to come down this groove around that roller, and then it gets guided through for cutting. So basically, this whole video is about, if you take this apart, don't lose that roller, and letting you know this is a repairable item now. You know, you can clean it out and get going again. Where on these older styles, even on the little heads, they actually have a tube here, and that tube, once it clogs, you're kind of out of business unless you have an extra tube just to replace it. You know, I've tried to clean them out. I haven't had too much success, you know. So it's just, they're not that expensive, so just replace them so you're back up and running. But this one, and these are on all the later model Hohner Stitcher heads, you could take them apart and clean them out. Just don't lose that little roller. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching.